guys! Good morning and welcome back sa ating new video. New day, new vlog, new blessing. Kakagising lang namin and then we're about to go to market para bumili ng ulam dahil wala nang laman yung aming frigidaire. Ayan. Si Millie, lumabas na siya. Maaga pa lang. Patayin natin. Bakit ko ba pinaandar yun, mga Mars? May sanggatos lagi.
Ma, sa dalam gano'n kang washing lang ang galibot lang may kwarta to.
Bante. Good morning! Good morning! Dali, bihis, anay, tas kaon ka lang ligo, pag-uli naman na. Bihisan natin, guys, ang baby boo. Andito pa lang beshi ko. Hi ka naman dyan, B. Nagbakasyon grandish muna siya dito, guys, sa bahay. Kasi di ba nung nakaraan siya yung nagbantay kay Maverick. Good morning na! Good morning, mga tita! Mamaya ka ng maligo pag uwi namin kasi karoon ang mga may mga gisi-gisi mga pangbalay lang na mo lang ra. Yan lang kay bag-uy yung ganyan ka. Marigos man ka. What? What? Sobrang na niya, guys. Hinawakalan. Talkative. Good morning. Give me your hands. I'm gonna buy a food. You want carrots? Gani, mabukal ka. Dog food. Wala nang gatas ang baby boo. No? Dahil nakalimutan ni daddy na saraduhan yung gatasan. And then si Maverick, ayun, minukbang niya. Almost full pa naman, guys. Ayan na. We're done. Hilig niya talagang magganyan-ganyan, magsipa-sipa. What? Say good morning na. Morning. Morning. What are you talking about? About your At andito ang apple ball. Akala mo naman, sa Amerika ako galing pareho lang naman kami ng tulog. Magkasama din naman kami natulog. Doon kasi siya natulog sa taas. Kasi nga umiiyak.
Ready?
Kare-kare.
What's my beautiful chef gonna cook for lunch?
Kare-kare, your favorite.
Curry.
Your new favorite, is it?
Yeah. You know, the crispy pork.
Yeah. Is it tatay's there? No.
No one is there.
So, mamamalengke tayo, guys. And then, bibili ng gatas and dog food ni Maverick because he has no dog food.
For Bear and Bark.
And meat. Because he's been eating rice for days now.
Just only meat and rice.
So, meron pong kasalanan si Cameron earlier this morning.
Is it?
Maaga pa lang, I'm already bad trip to him. It's
Why?
too early.
Why?
Why? You forgot what you did?
Because I left the milk open and Maverick eat it.
Yeah.
The milk powder.
How come you
Because it's 5 a.m. You know, I'm still sleepy that time.
And then also, he didn't even hear that Maverick is eating something.
No, because I fell back to sleep.
No, you're doing cell phone. Yeah.
Oh, because the boxing was on. But it wasn't. I was waiting for it and then it wasn't concentrating. Just need to withdraw. We're gonna go market and then we get the dog food. And then Millie's milk.
Yan, withdraw na kami guys dito sa may Producers Bank, dito malapit sa may market. Kami lagi nag-withdraw kasi walang tao and ayaw pa naman magpila-pila ni Cameron. Marami kasi laging sa may BPI, maraming nagpipila lagi doon kaya dito na lang kami. Dito na tayo guys sa ating public market. Hanap lang kami sa atin. Ay nako. Well, dito na kami sa public market. Dito sa Antique. And maghanap lang kami ng parking lot. Maybe medyo busy kasi nga super daming tao. And linggo. Usually linggo kasi madami talagang tao and busy. Just park on the back of the Dito na kami guys.
Wait first. I'm gonna go back.
Sa mga meat section muna tayo mauuna guys. Kaya let's go! At
Favorite place.
it's your favorite place. Ilong at beef dita tapos liempo.
Limpo.
Sa kilo man.
Nandiyan lang yung kasag mo.
Grind.
Mas tinless mo man.
Tayo guys ng 1 kilong beef para kay Maverick and then liempo.
Wala siyang limpo? Punta naman tayo sa fish section. Hello. Hello. Bumili lang ako ng isda na ganyan guys, yung mga pang prito at pang sabaw. Yakan yung lota?
Na may trasabawan.
Ang sabaw niya?
Pang prito. Yung 1 kilo niyan guys, 150. 150. Ay, sobra sa 1 kilo pala yan. Nabayaran ko ng 150. For Cameron. Yeah.
Tuna.
Yellowfin. What do you want to buy?
Rice bucket.
30.
Rice bucket.
Bulog lang, talaga.
Guys, bili tayo ng mga sibuyas, bawang. We still have bawang or garlic. Just only get a few bawang. Ay,
Oh yes.
di ba mas marunong pa sa Cameron sa akin? Sibuyas. Sure.
Potatoes.
You get ano yeah,
Those were bad.
few lang, maybe 3 because I'm gonna make puree for Millie as well. Sitaw for our kare-kare later. String beans. Kuha pa tayo ng talong, guys. Talong.
Smell good. Vlog ko. Guy. Hello, Philippines.
Looking for a palm din. Okay.
Hindi lang ano yung ma'am.
Busy sa business. Hello. Lucky we have somewhere to utang for vegetable.
Money.
Dito sa suki. Yeah, may utangan kami guys kasi wala kaming pera. Mangungutang tayo for today's video. Right?
20 na.
Total cost for 25. Thank you. Utang mo na ha.
Sige. Pwede. Char lang. No, 420 atan. 560 cambio.
May 5 pesos pa tayong discount. Diba? So, bibili tayo ng ano guys. Bagoong. Amuyan muna natin. Smell eh. Approve naman daw ka na. Kailan? Wara, nakabalik rin kami ta. Bili tayo ng saging guys. Dito sa Soke. Tagpirara ta.
Cinta lang kayo.
Sige ta. Thank you, Gita. Dito na kami guys. Yeah, you bring your donut. Kung ako na may mag-aasawa, ang pipiliin ko.
reaction.
Ang pipiliin ko. Aba.
Saba.
Okay naman.
Yeah, saba.
Saba. We gonna buy
Dog food.
dog food for Pogi and milk for Ganda.
There's a police in the tricycle.
For Pogi and Ganda mo lang. Dog food for Pogi and then milk for Ganda.
Yeah. Okay, and ganda.
Pogi and Ganda.
She's been awake. She didn't go back to sleep this morning.
What time she wake up? 5?
5:30.
Yeah, because it's your fault.
No, she's just like laying there.
Buti lang din kay Mili kapag nagigising, like,
And Millie likes having a lie. She wakes up and then
just cuddle with us.
yeah, she likes
Embark na guys, doon kami bibili ng kanyang dog food ni Maverick sa harap ng Robinson. Medyo malayo yan dito, doon pa yan sa kabila. Pero nga lang, yun lang kasi yung open every Sunday, kasi Sunday ngayon mga mare. So, let's go there and buy her, buy,
milk fast in Bruce Pharmacy.
why don't you, ano,
I want to go on 6.
do they have a milk? Guys, nakabili na kami ng gatas dito sa Rose Pharmacy. And, yung maliit lang yung nabili namin. Ito oh. Usually, yung binibili namin is yung 2 point something kilograms. Yung available lang kasi nila is 800 grams. So, ito lang yung nabili namin. For the meantime lang naman. And, yan. And, Non-Infinite Pro HA2 na siya. 6 to 12 months since 6 months na si Millie, diba? So, ito na guys. Dati newborn. From newborn milk. 0 to 6 months. Yeah, since then, yan lang talaga. Ay, hindi pala. Pang second milk na to na second milk.
Hips is too expensive.
Is it Hips is more expensive
Yeah,
than
Hips is way too expensive and nowhere sells it.
yeah.
So it's not really, because if you run out, nowhere much sells it. It's, you know, it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, and then at the same time, Millie doesn't like that milk. Like, hindi siya hiyang. So, her pedia advised, you know, to change it into Infinite Pro HA NAN. Masakit siya. NAN money na. Because of NAN. Dumating po yung aming bill for this month. And our bill for this month is...
Hey. Take that off the wall.
Nagtanong kami. Ay, mga magalit ng gano'n. La 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 la. Ano naman yan, Maverick? Amoy isda ba? So mga Mars, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili. Nakita nyo naman, pero yung iba hindi. Pero ayun nga, bumili ako ng isdang salmonete, pang taksil. Malab, can you get the big bowl?
You have it now?
What? With that one to the ano lang. She went to town lang.
This is low back.
Yeah, it's low bat. Ayan guys, so salmonete, pang taxio. Hugasan ko muna to and then para malagay sa fridge. Ayan. Nagluluto ako ngayon mga Mars ng beef ni Maverick. Well, actually, it's done now. Ano ko na lang siya sa ilalagay ko. Ilalagay ko dyan. Sa Tupperware. And then, ilalaga ko yung baboy para sa ating kare-kare.